Okay, so welcome back. Now let's do another example, and what we're going to do is we're going to parameterize this curve, okay, same way we did before. So again, we're going to introduce a third variable, t, and then what we're going to do is we're going to use that to fill out a table to graph it. So it's not just about parametric. It's not about just coming up with the parametric equations, but then using those parametric equations to graph the curve. Now, again, we can graph this curve as is on the xy plane, on the Cartesian plane, but again, what's the purpose of this? We want to see what direction the particle is moving, right, along this curve. So now, the thing is now they give us one of the parametric equations, right? And again, the simplest way to parameterize a curve is to just let x of t equal to t, right? Let x equal t. Okay? So that means if I substitute in t into x, that means y of t is going to be 1 minus t squared. Okay? And so now I've got a set of parametric equations where x and y are based on or dependent on the parameter t. Okay, so this is where my direction is going to come in. So it's more than just graphing this curve, but hey, what's the direction that this particle is moving along this curve? So again, I'm going to just plot some points. So let's use again, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now again, x is going to be the same. X of t is the same. It's just equal to t. So this will be -4, -3, -2, -1, and so on. Okay, now, y. Well, if t is -4, what does y become? Well, -4 squared is 16, but that's minus 16, so 1 minus 16 is minus 15. Okay? And then -9, but -9 squared, excuse me, -3, but -3 squared is 9. 1 minus 9 is minus -8. And then if we do -2 squared is +4, but it's 1 minus 4, so that'll give us -3. And then 1, -1 squared is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. And then of course if we do zeros, right, we get 0, which is 1. And then it starts to give us 3, 8, 15. Okay? So here's, just so we can keep everything lined up. Oh, something's missing here. I missed one. Hold on. So 0, 1, 1. Oh, 0. I'm sorry. These are off by 1. So 0, 3, 8, and 15. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot my graph. So the first point is at -4, -15, which is not on here. So the next one is going to be -3, -8, which is not on here. So I'm going to plot -2, -3, right? So -2, -3, so that's going to be right here. And then -1, 0. And then 0, 1. And then we have that. And so we get this. But again, we could have gotten this curve just by looking at the original equation. But what we don't know, and that we do now know with the parameterized curve, is the direction change. So it starts down here, right? So it's starting down here, and it's moving along the curve that way. And we're done. Have a great day.